Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for all things tech. Today, we have a nifty little gadget to discuss, the Shuken Roy Ultra Slim Bluetooth Keyboard. If you're in need of a portable and versatile keyboard for your devices, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unpack all the details in this 5-minute review. Let's kick things off by talking about compatibility. The Shuken Roy Bluetooth keyboard is a true all-rounder. It's compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Whether you have an iPhone, iPad, Android tablet, or smartphone, this keyboard has you covered. No more struggling with on-screen keyboards. Now, let's dive into the design and portability. This keyboard is a game-changer when it comes to portability. It's incredibly light and compact, weighing in at just 6.35 ounces and measuring a mere 9.84 by 5.9 by 0.24 inches. It's perfect for on-the-go productivity without hogging space in your bag or on your desk. Battery life is always a concern, but not with this keyboard. It features a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that, when fully charged, can last for more than 20 days with 2 hours of daily use. Plus, it's smart. After 10 minutes of inactivity, it enters sleep mode to save power. Just tap any key to wake it up and continue typing. Comfort matters, especially when you're typing for extended periods. The Shuken Roy keyboard boasts a scissor structure with square chocolate keycaps, providing a quiet and comfortable typing experience. Whether you're working on your tablet, iPad, iPhone, or smartphone, you'll enjoy smooth and pleasant typing. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to Bluetooth 3.0 technology. You can connect this keyboard to your device from up to 10 meters away, giving you flexibility in how you use it. It features a US QWERTY layout, making it easy to use, and it even includes hotkeys for functions like volume control, play, pause, and more. Plus, the brushed front and ultra-thin aluminum alloy back make it stylish and durable. In summary, the Shuken Roy Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard is a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. Its compatibility with a wide range of devices, ultra-portable design, long-lasting battery, comfortable typing experience, and sleek aesthetics make it a must-have for tech-savvy individuals on the go. That's a wrap on our review of the Shuken Roy Ultra Slim Bluetooth keyboard. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, you can find it on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.